Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week's restoration is another contribution to the monthly Diecast and Modders Community Challenge on Facebook. This month's challenge is to restore or refresh any sports vehicle. On the turntable we have the Matchbox 52B race car. The bottom plate simply says BRM, which stands for British Racing Motors. This model was issued by Leslie between 1965 and 1969 and was based on the BRM P261 race car, which was made between 1964 and 1968. It always came in this deep blue color with the yellow wheel hubs and separate tires. Note that the rear tires are slightly larger than the front tires. As a matter of fact, the rear tires are the same as used on the 49B Unimog I did earlier. As you can see, this model is pretty play-worn. It's missing its racing number decals as well as its driver and steering wheel. The tires have loosened over time and cling on for dear life. But they are all there, which is pretty unusual for this model. This should be a fairly straightforward restoration, so let's get to the starting line and give this model a factory reset. Let's have a look again at what he started out with. This old BRM race car competed in a lot of living room races. It lost its driver, steering wheel and racing numbers in the process. The tires were barely holding on to the hubs, but luckily they were all accounted for. And this is a model after restoration. The mix of Vallejo, Andrea Blue and Royal Blue is very close to the original color. The model features its racing numbers again and has a new driver and steering wheel. The tires were worn but still good, so I decided to keep them and attach them to the hubs with a drop of glue, so this race car can exit the pits again. The decals were not perfect. It's very hard to cut out circular decals even with a hole punch. I had to touch up some parts of the decals with white. Nevertheless, I think it turned out pretty good. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. If you want to support my work, you can become a member on my Ko-fi page. Members can download all the decal files I made for my earlier projects and receive exclusive access to a gallery of my upcoming restorations and behind the scenes pictures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.